If you happen to be checking out this set of 12 glitter paint pens, the brand sent these to me to test out and try. I have grandkids that love to color, and not only can you use these on regular paper, but the fact that they're great on glass and metal and maybe like rocks that kids find outside. There are endless surfaces that you can use these on, and the fact that they do have a fine tip, I like myself, so the paint isn't like going all over the place and really getting out of hand. They first come, they are completely dry like this, and you're basically gonna pump them out a couple times and that paint will start to flow. But I like the fact that it really is controlled. It's just not like coming out a lot at a time and just going everywhere. If you've ever dealt with paint pens before, you know how messy they can get. I just love the fact that you can really control the output of the paint with these. Of course, they come with so many different beautiful colors, everything you can think of. Purple, yellow, orange, magenta, gray, of course, black, teal, blue. I mean, just a lot of fun colors. These are great for scrapbooking, glass, rock, ceramic, wood, you name it. So if you're checking these out, I definitely recommend.